Oh my gosh, what is that? It got a hole in it. Open it from the other side now. What is that? Rip that tape up from the middle. The tape right here.
What tape?
That, pull it up. Good. 2 hands, use your muscles. Good. Okay, let go, Steven. Go ahead, now, do it. Good. Open the box. Look at what you're doing. Go ahead, open the box.
I just opened it.
Open the box. What's inside it?
Oh my god. Oh, it's something else. What is it?
It's an no, it's not for the bathroom, Steven. It's an Easter basket. Take it out. Oh my gosh. Show the camera what you got. Show the camera the basket. I have the camera right here. Oh, what's that? What? Chips.
Yep.
What else is in? Leave that back. No, after lunch. What else is in there? Oh, you know, Nana always says, oh, what else is that? What else is in there? Show the camera. They can't see it. What are those?
Bunnies.
Who's that?